Zopop.
Yeah.
O can do a Tshivhase Venda project.
I want to do
Kwa panga
Chuta me plek chuta.
Cho project.
Tukutuka sinamla ndumina tuna wahulo.
Omlando na wahulwa.
Zote za mchile chimbile zabuti.
Yeah.
Chimbile zabuti ngamanda. Everything.
I'm doing a lot.
Tell us the journey of podcast. We started the podcast together, remember?
Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
And our first episode, we shootile bana badulang kostrate. Batu bang the tracks, ne?
Yes.
Let's go to that.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go to journey amajitana hore. Ufiti Juan, Arkopana Limon, it was December, people were on hold. Cristiano Ronaldo.
I subscribe.
Yeah, 50 Cent, I subscribe. Yeah, Steve Harvey. Tiny Play. Yeah. I'm Nicki Minaj now, they must subscribe to this podcast.
When?
Yeah.
Now it's our time to tell our stories.
If it is running.
Tell our stories abroad. Yes.
Away. That's so nice.